Okay, so
Tap
this
the
is...
green check
Hold
button
on.
once you're done.
Wait. It says animals that eat only plants. They have flat teeth. Okay, look at the animals on the left and draw a circle around their food.
Teeth, right?
Teeth.
A cow?
Yep. Okay. The giraffe eats leaves. Let's see if you got it right.
Well done.
Good job. What kind of food do you eat? Do you eat plants too? Do you eat fruits and veggies? Yeah.
I eat fruits.
Look at the numbers on the top of the rocket.
Science my
Then,
favorite.
circle the numbers below each rocket that add
Oh my
up
gosh,
to
I
the
think that
number
one's
on
the
the
highest.
top.
Maybe. Go ahead.
Tap the green check button once you're done.
So we look at the numbers. Okay. Do I do the highest number?
Well, what do you think you have to do? You didn't hear what she said.
The highest number.
You've really worked hard. Let's try once again.
Look at the numbers on the top of the rocket. Then circle the numbers below each rocket that add up to the number on top. Does 3 plus 4 equal 7?
I think this makes 7.
Does 2 plus 6 equal 7?
Yes. Just doing my words.
You've made a lot of progress. One more time and you'll have it.
Let's try that again.
I actually know it. It's this. No. I think it's
You're
this.
on the right track. Keep it up.
What?
Because sometimes there's more than one correct answer.
I know it is. And it's awesome. I think it's this.
Well done. Look
I
how
like this.
far
Can we
you've
go to the
come.
next activity?
Yep.
Play with me in the Kids Academy app and learn about math, reading, writing, and more. Scan the QR code or use the link in the description. Let's have fun!